Yesterday, Bérénice asked for a video on how to poach an egg, not thinking I might want to do something different for our anniversary. So, in the event that she is watching, first you boil some water, slide in the egg, wait a few minutes, pull it out with a slotted spoon into a bowl of water to stop the cooking, put it on a plate, and eat it. That's it. However, to celebrate our one-year anniversary while separated due to the pandemic, and since Bérénice doesn't have an oven to cook with, I'm gonna make a cake. Using whatever I could think of. It's tin can cake on today's Cooking for Bérénice. The idea to try this came from a technique used to make crumpets, where a form is placed on a hot skillet to bake the pastry. Key to this is first greasing the sides of the can to easily remove it after baking. For the cake I made, I used some flour, sugar, butter, egg, almond milk, baking soda, and vanilla. I'll be making the frosting later. To begin, drop the butter and the sugar in a bowl and mash them up. If you're concerned about the amount of sugar to flour ratio, you're right, it's too much. But Bérénice is sweet in that way. Once well blended, it's time to add the egg. Blend together, then put aside. Like us, we spent some time apart before we got together. In a separate bowl, I combine the dry ingredients. I mix them loosely by hand, so we'll just skip over that. Next, you'll want to slowly add your buttered sugar eggs to the dry ingredients bit by bit. Mix until you have a batter consistency. Finally, add the vanilla. So, now it's time to see if this will work. I've used a bowl to create a warm cylinder of heat to bring about greater success. Adding the batter slowly but surely, I make a shallow 1-inch cake. I leave it here for about 20 minutes. That was longer than I expected, but as we all know, doneness is a simple knife test. If it comes out clean, you're done. Once done, remove the can to reveal, what this is. Using a spatula, place on the cooling rack. The bottom seems to have suffered for the better of the upper half. Guess I'll just slice that off and pretend it didn't happen. All right, ready to ice. To make the icing, I used a standard egg white and confectioner's sugar. After whisking the two together, I microwaved it for almost a minute. I then fortified the mixture with more powdered sugar because, you know, sweet and stuff. Now to ice the cake. I did all that and then, well, this is what happened. But, like all things in life, if it's sweet enough, you can overcome almost anything. Happy anniversary, Bérénice.